Okay, roses, this is a test for me to see how fast I can do this unboxing with no interruption. So let's go ahead and get right into it.
I just wanna be free, finally, finally, I wanna be free, finally, finally, I wanna be free, finally, finally.
Welcome back, roses. This is Olena from OlenaRosanne, and today I'm unboxing some new products I received from my last Product Junkie Natural order. So first off, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, like if you like Product Junkie Naturals, which I know many of you do, and let's get right into it. Okay, first item I have here is the Product Junkie Naturals Rice Water Collection Rice Water Activated Mint Cleanser. This is what I think I'm going to use this wash day, because I've been trying to pick up my supply of cleansers and I've never used anything from her rice water collection, and this has mint in it. Y'all know I love some mint. This is in a nice squeeze bottle, so stay on the lookout for the review on this. Next item I have here, this is from the Sea Moss collection. I think I have one other item from that, and that's her mousse, I believe. Yeah, so this one is a Sea Moss and Cocoa Cream Styler. I already know this is going to smell good, and we'll be using this soon, so stay tuned. Next two items here. Okay, so this is from the Honey Hibiscus collection. This is the Honey Hibiscus Gentle Cleanse. So I wanted to get this because I already have the Honey Hibiscus, or the Hibiscus and something flaxseed, something, I don't know. Y'all have seen it on the channel. If you haven't, check my Product Junkie Naturals playlist and you'll see what else I have used with the same ingredients. But this is the Honey Hibiscus Gentle Cleanse. I told you I'm trying to pile up on these cleansers, y'all. We need to get it ready, you know. And one thing I like about the season we're going into, because we're in spring going to summer, but this is when I like to wash my hair even more. Why? Because I can air dry it. So this will be nice to try, and that will be coming up in an upcoming video. So get ready. Let's see, this one here. Y'all, I've been waiting so long to actually try this. I always say I'm going to order and I never do because I see something else, but I finally got it. And this is from the Dream Curls collection. This is a Hydro Moist Curl Drip. So this is for dry, thirsty curls, kinks, and coils. The curl drip, y'all. I got it. And I got this particularly for wash and goes. We may try it for something else, but it may be, and I know it's going to be in a wash and go, so stay tuned for that. Okay, one more item. What I've been doing since I've been doing like headband wigs, or just doing something where I have a little bit more of my edges out. I'm not into styling the edges and stuff, but I do want to kind of slick down what I have down, if you see what I'm saying. So I'm trying to, you know, just kind of mold it a little bit in the front with headband wigs or half wigs, or even what I got on right now. And if you want to know about this, you gotta watch my previous video. But this is a Flaxseed plus MSM Flaxseed Edge Tamer. Y'all didn't know PJN has edge tamers? Well, now you know. I didn't even know at first, but now I got one. If you want to know what I think about it, again, like I said with the previous products, stay tuned. So anyway, that's it. Stay tuned for what I try first. I just want to make this quick, to the point, and there you go. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video, and I will talk to you later, roses.